Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Curiosity Box, and this is an unboxing of my historical fiction themed box of stories first subscription box. So this is from Box of Stories, and I'll put the link in the description box. Box of Stories' aim is to make sure that books that don't get pulped. So they distribute these books in a subscription box so they can rescue the books and put them into reading circulation. So they have a few different themes, and this is the historical fiction theme. So let's open the box and see what we got. So the first one is The Faithful, The Faithful by Juliet West. It's July 1935, it's July 1935, and on the Sussex coast, 16-year-old Hazel is dreading another dull summer until, this, if you like Peaky Blinders. Okay, interesting. Until Oswald Mosley and his black shirts arrive in town. Hazel soon finds herself befriended by Lucia, or possibly Lucia, upper class, glamorous and passionate about the cause. But ultimately it is Tom, a Londoner with very different ideals, who ignites the excitement that Hazel craves. Autumn 1936. Hazel is living in London when an encounter with Tom sends her into freefall. He must never know why she cut off all contact last summer, but Hazel isn't the only one with secrets. Nor is she the only one with a reason to keep the two of them apart. Okay, I'm not sure about this one. I don't know if this will be a fun read or not, but that's The Faithful by Juliet West. Probably not something I would have chosen myself. The next one is We Must Be Brave by Frances Lyodette. December 1940. As German bombs fall on Southampton, the city's residents flee to the surrounding villages. In Upton Village, amid the chaos, newly married Alan Parr finds a girl sleeping unclaimed at the back of an empty bus. Little Pamela, it seems, is entirely alone. Alan has always believed she does not want children, but when she takes Pamela into her home, the child cracks open the past Alan thought she had escaped, and the future she had dreamed for herself. As the war rages on, love grows where it is least expected, surprising them all. But with the end of the fighting comes the realisation that Pamela was never theirs to keep. Interesting. Another one I wouldn't necessarily have picked. Now, when I think of historical fiction, I think of going back past the World War. I don't just think of World War books. So not sure. I hope there's more past fiction than just going back to the World War II. But I think my mum and my auntie might like this, so there'll be people who in my family who do like this book. So yeah, there's that one. Then we've got The Red Ribbon by Lucy Adlington. So this very interesting cover. It's a wraparound cover, like a ribbon. That's cool. Then on the back it says, 4 of us, Rose, Ella, Marta and Carla. In another life we might all have been friends together, but this was Birchwood. As 14-year-old Ella begins her first day working at Birchwood, she steps into a world of silks and seams, buttons, lace and ribbons. Ella is a dressmaker, but this is no ordinary sewing workshop. Hers are no ordinary clients. Every dress she makes could mean the difference between life and death. This room, this place, this world is all about survival. Interesting. So this actually sounds really interesting and a really interesting read, so I'm not quite sure what it is, if it's a war one or what, but it sounds really cool. Oh wow. And then the last one is The Casebook of Victor Frankenstein by Peter Ackroyd. So that's the cover. Victor Frankenstein begins his anatomy experiments in a barn in the secluded village of Headington near Oxford. The coroner's office provides the corpses he needs, but they have often died by violent means and are damaged and putrefying. So he moves his coils and jars and electrical fluids to a deserted pottery manufactory in Limehouse, and from Limehouse makes contact with the Doomsday Men, the resurrectionists. Victor pays better than any hospital for the bodies of the very recently dead. Even so, perfect specimens are hard to come by until that Tameside dawn when Victor, waiting wrapped in his greatcoat on his wooden jetty, hears the splashing of oars and sees in the half-light that slung into the stern of the approaching boat as the corpse of a handsome young man, one hand trailing in the water. So, this would be interesting to see what his interpretation of Frankenstein is. So this looks cool. So I'd say 2 out of 4 are ones I possibly will enjoy, and the other 2, if I don't enjoy them, then other people in the family will enjoy them. So I hope you have enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching. Yay!